Weird tomatoes. All right, it's 2022 and it has been a long time since we've done a weird tomatoes. And we have the glorious hybrid tomato, Chef's Choice Orange. Do you want to hold it, Russell, and show how huge this thing is? Oh no, Chef's Choice Yellow. My bad. It looks orange, but it's a Chef's Choice Yellow. It's like they know how to make hybrid tomatoes, right? But they don't know the difference between orange and yellow, do they?
Mm-mm.
Okay, how do you want to cut this thing? Just right in the middle like this?
Yeah.
Or should we just slice off the bottom? We'll take a slice off the bottom first. Let's do that. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. Now we're gonna cut a big tomato steak off this thing. So let's look at the structure of this tomato. Look at that. Not too much goopy stuff in there. We've got some nice seeds in there, but mostly it's just good tomato meat. Can we say tomato meat? Is that weird?
Yes.
Okay, that's kind of weird. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go on and we're gonna give it a taste. Hopefully the camera can get us on the tasting. Let's adjust it. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna cut some slices for us. And our job now is to taste it and let the people know. In terms of growing it, I seem to have it has some little bit of disease on the plant, but the tomatoes are making it. I think the disease might be from my soil more than anything else. So our soil, my bad. All right, cheers. Chef's Choice Yellow. Here we go. Mild. Kind of tastes like tomato jello.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't it? Has such a good texture. Holy moly. This might be one of my favorite tomatoes I've ever had.
Me too.
The acidity tastes really mild. It could just be balanced by some really great sweetness. Okay. In terms of flavor, it's got a melon-esque flavor. No, I want to just say cantaloupe, but I think that's because of what it looks like, so I'm not going to say it has a cantaloupe element, but it kind of does. That's beautiful.
I'm guessing the Chef's Choice orange is yellow, like yellow.
The Chef's Choice Yellow is orange. Do you want to try another bite and let the people know what it tastes like? What's it taste like? Like, we know it's a tomato, but any other flavors that pop into your head?
Tomato.
Okay, Russell says it tastes like tomato. I mean, it's beautiful. I would highly recommend growing it. We're in Zone 7, Western North Carolina. Very rainy place, so disease is common with tomatoes. That's normal for us. But what's not normal is getting huge, amazing tomatoes like this, this relatively early in the season, right?
We
It's
actually got another one.
August something. August like 8th or something today.
We actually got another one that was kind of smaller.
Yep, we got another Chef's Choice. Yep, we did. But
Wait, did you get to
beautiful
try it?
tomato. I don't know if we tried that one yet.
Oh, we didn't.
Nope. What do you think for this tomato on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 is the worst tomato you've ever had. 10 is the best tomato you've ever had in your whole
10.
life. You think this is a 10?
Yeah.
I want to give this one an 8 plus or a 9. I want to give it a 10. I feel like there's nothing that jumps out to me. Flavor, like a little more acidity, a perception of a little more acidity, I think would take it to a 10 for me. But it's amazing. I mean, what we're gonna do with this thing, you know what we're gonna do next? We're gonna make a bagel with cream cheese and put a big old slice of this on top. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, Weird Tomatoes 2022, Chef's Choice Yellow. It's really orange. It's really awesome. 2 thumbs up. And look at this day today. It's beautiful out here. Woohoo! All right, there's my baby maple trees right there. And all right, me and Russell signing off. Weird Tomatoes.